In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in PDF Exchange Editor. Now, the first thing you want to do here up top, you want to go to the Home tab, and then here you want to click on where it says Add, and you want to click on Add Text. Now, whenever you do this, this tool will open up. You can basically draw wherever you want to add your text. I'm going to do it like this, and there we go. In here, I can now start writing hello, and then etc. So we can type in whatever you want here, and then of course you'll be able to add text that way. So you could also highlight that or select the text box and go to format up top, and this is where you can change different fonts. You could go ahead and of course change sizes of your text. You could change the colors, stuff like that. That's completely up to you. That's the first way. However, if you wanna, for example, add some text and you don't want it to be like this, but you actually just wanna add some text, if you, for example, have unfinished changes here like me, you could go to edit text up top, and then it's going to pop up these kind of rectangles, and you can go ahead and click anywhere and just start typing in here, and it's going to continue your text. So those are basically the ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.